Binance withdrawal to bank account. So if you want to basically withdraw from your money from your Binance account to your bank account, so all you have to do is first you want to simply launch your Binance app. So first you can see your total balance in USD, and if it is in a crypto format, you first have to sell it for fiat currency, and only once you have fiat currency available, then you can withdraw that currency to your bank account. So normally to withdraw it, you have to simply come to the wallets option from the bottom right of the screen. Right there you'll find an option called withdraw. So all you have to do is tap the withdraw option. You can select P2P trading for bank transfer, digital wallet transfer, mobile payment, or withdraw crypto or fiat wallet, whatever else it is. So you can select withdraw. And in my case, I currently don't have fiat, I only have crypto available. But if you have got fiat currency like USD, then you can select that right there, and you can send it to your bank account. So I only have crypto, so you're saying to send to another crypto network. But if you have USD or other fiat currency here, you can select that and send it to your bank account by entering your bank account details. Or you can also try a method of P2P trading right here. So you can go ahead and select any of these options. You can choose to buy, sell, and it's basically select the payment method and sell them for cash. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.